Okay, we are going to be doing the Bebot challenge today. So what we're going to do is design a sequence of moves to make the Bebot travel around the grid. Now I'm going to use the one that's on the PowerPoint, and I've started, it says to go up here and then over this way. Then I'm going to go down, over, and then down again. Now, I'm going to start at this square. So I'm not going to start off the square. I'm going to start inside the square. So I have this little Bebot thing that I made. It's on a block, but it's got the top of a Bebot on the top. So you're going to start in this square. Now you have to figure out how you're going to get this Bebot to do these things and to make this sequence of moves. So when you program the Bebot, it will do this on the mats. Now I've got my arrows over here. That tells me I need to go forward. This says back, left turn, right turn. Now for today, you probably will not be using the back button. You don't need to. There's no point in it. You're not really needing to go backwards. So here we go. So I want it to go, it only goes 15 centimeters, and each of these blocks is 15 centimeters. So if I want it to go 2, I'm going to have to go forward 15 centimeters. I'm going to put the arrow there. Forward 15 centimeters. Then I'm going to have to make my Bebot turn, and I want him to turn this way. So I'm going to do the right turn. Now you can make the little curvy thing, or you can just point it to the right. Now this is something very important. When I've got it this way, it will confuse me less if I turn my paper and now I see how the Bebot would see it. So now I'm going to go forward one time. And if I do that, I'm going to do that there. Forward another time. And forward one more time, because I want to get into that square. Now I'm going to have to turn right again. Well, so I'm going to turn right. Now my Bebot is facing this way, and I need to turn right. So I'll turn right. Now my Bebot is facing this way, and I need to go forward one, which is out there. And then I'll need to turn left there, and then I need to go forward one. See, and now it's finished. So I've written all of this down. So he goes forward 2 times, turns right, goes forward, then turns right, then goes forward, then turns right, then turns forward, then turns left, and goes forward. Alright, so let's see if that's going to work. So this is what I put into my Bebot. So I'm going to be putting in just what I have here. So if I move this over, forward, forward, right, forward, 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 right, forward, right, forward, left, forward. Now that should make my Bebot do this sequence of events and make this line. Should start here and end here. Let's see how that works. Alright, now here's where I want my Bebot to go. That up there, make those things. So I've got my Bebot here. I've already programmed it, so I'm ready just to push go. Notice I started on that. And it did exactly like I wanted it to do. Now you'll notice that this mat is 1, 2, 3, 4 across, and 1, 2, 3, 4 up and down. So there's 16 there. Just like this here. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 16. They're just alike. This is just a smaller version of this, and that's a bigger version of this. So that's how we're going to do it today. So remember, use your little block there to help you out, and then just put your arrows in. And then when you're ready to try it, you just put your arrows in just like this on there. Now you're going to clear it out by pressing the X, so the next person will be able to use it. Alright, we're going to work hard today, and we're going to work together.